Welcome to this video on grammar learning. Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison help us compare people, places, or things using adjectives and adverbs. There are 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. A positive degree describes a single thing without comparison. For example, John is tall. A comparative degree compares 2 things. For example, John is taller than David. And a superlative degree compares 3 or more things. For example, John is the tallest in the class. Now let's see the formation rules. Rule number 1. For short adjectives, add er to the positive to form the comparative and est to the positive to form the superlative. Let's see few examples. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Young, younger, youngest. Great, greater, greatest. Rule number 2. For adjectives ending in e, add r to the positive to form the comparative and st to the positive to form the superlative. Let's see few examples. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. White, whiter, whitest. Large, larger, largest. Able, abler, ablest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Rule number 3. For adjectives ending in y, change y to I and add er to the positive to form the comparative, and change y to I and add est to the positive to form the superlative. Let's see few examples. Happy, happier, happiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Rule number 4. For one syllable, adjectives ending in single consonant, preceded by a short vowel, double the consonant and add er to the positive to form the comparative, and double the consonant and add est to the positive to form the superlative. Let's see few examples. Red, redder, reddest. Observe that in positive, the word red is a one-syllable adjective ending in single consonant d, preceded by a short vowel e, hence in comparative the consonant d, id doubled and. ER is added, and in superlative, the consonant D is doubled and EST is added. Similarly, big, bigger, biggest, hot, hotter, hottest, thin, thinner, thinnest, sad, sadder, saddest, fat, fatter, fattest. Rule number 5. For long adjectives with more than 2 syllables, use more before the positive to form the comparative, and use most before the positive to form the superlative. Let's see few examples. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, difficult, more difficult, most difficult, industrious, more industrious, most industrious, courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Rule number 6. Some adjectives are compared irregularly. That is, their comparative and superlative are not formed from the positive. Let's see few examples. Good, well. Better, best. Bad, evil, ill. Worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. Far, farther, farthest. Up, upper, upmost. In the next video, we will learn about comparison of adverbs. Until we meet again, take care and thank you.